Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and collecting what you need. Find your device model and serial number under Settings or on the device box, and note the purchase date. Apple uses these to determine eligibility. Once done, sign into your Apple ID on the device and make sure Wi-Fi is active so validation succeeds. You'll also want a clear receipt or invoice photo for proof of purchase. This speeds verification. Now move to the enrollment method you prefer: online, phone, or in-store. You decide how to buy Apple Care and follow the chosen path. If online, open Apple.com or the Apple Support app, sign in, enter your serial number, and follow prompts to select the plan and pay. This is fastest. If you call, an agent will verify your device and take payment over the phone. Keep your serial ready. If you go in-store, staff may run a quick diagnostic or inspect the device. Make sure to bring your receipt so they can enroll you immediately. You complete the transaction by providing payment and confirming details. Make sure your billing address matches your Apple ID. After purchase, watch for the confirmation email and verify that the coverage appears under Settings General about limited warranty or Apple Care. If coverage doesn't show, sign out and back into your Apple ID, wait a few hours, and check email confirmations. One troubleshooting tip: if diagnostics fail, ask for a written explanation and try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.